Well, today is National Ugly Sweater Day, and we are kicking off our ugly sweater adoption promotion. This is Raymond and I, and we are donning our ugly sweaters to help get homeless pets a home for the holidays. Not only are we here having lots of fun with our staff, volunteers, and some of our shelter pets dressed up in their ugly holiday sweaters, we're also offering discounts on adoptions. Adoption fees for all dogs and puppies will just be $100, and cat and kitten adoption fees will just be $50, and that's today and Saturday. Next week, we'll be taking off our holiday sweaters and putting on our elf suits as we get ready to deliver pets to people's homes. Anyone who adopts on December 19th, 20th, or 23rd can have their pet adopted to their home by one of our elves on either Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. When you come to the shelter, you'll get to meet with a volunteer adoption counselor who will help match your family up with their perfect pet. The shelter has a big goal this year with these two adoption promotions. We're trying to empty out the shelter before Christmas so that all of the pets in the shelter can have a home for the holidays. Even if you're not in the market for a new pet, this is a great time to come and visit the shelter. We'll be having a lot of fun, and you'll get to visit with about 40 available cats and kittens, 25 dogs and puppies, and countless small animals like bunnies and guinea pigs.